A resistor is an electrical component used to limit or control the flow of electric current in a circuit. It works by providing a specific amount of resistance to the flow of electrons, which results in a reduction of current passing through it. This resistance is measured in ohm. Resistors are fundamental components in electronics and are used for various purposes, such as voltage division, current limiting, and signal conditioning. Here's how a resistor works. A resistor is designed with a specific resistance value, which determines how much it impedes the flow of electrons in a circuit. Higher resistance values result in greater resistance to current flow, while lower values allow more current to pass through. Ohm's law. Resistors adhere to Ohm's law, which states that the current II flowing through a resistor is directly proportional to the voltage V across it and inversely proportional to its resistance, R. Mathematically, Ohm's law is expressed as V equals IR. Voltage, VA, is measured in volts. V, current, IE, is measured in amperes. AE, resistance, RR, is measured in ohms. Heat dissipation. When current flows through a resistor, it encounters resistance, and this resistance causes the resistor to dissipate energy in the form of heat. This is why resistors can become warm or hot during operation, especially if a significant amount of current is passing through them. As for types of resistors, there are several different types available, each with its own characteristics and applications. Some common types include carbon composition resistor. These are made of a mixture of carbon and an insulating material. They are inexpensive but can be less precise and stable compared to other types. Film resistors use a thin layer of resistive material deposited on an insulating substrate. They are available in both carbon film and metal film varieties, with metal film resistors offering higher precision and stability. Wire-wound resistor. These resistors are made by winding a wire around a ceramic or fiberglass core. They are known for their high power handling capacity and precision, but tend to be larger in size. Variable resistor, potentiometer, or rheostat. These resistors have an adjustable resistance value and are often used for tuning or calibration purposes. Potentiometers are 3-terminal devices, while rheostats are 2-terminal devices. Surface mount resistor. These resistors are designed for surface mount technology, ESMT applications, and are commonly used in modern electronics due to their small size and compatibility with automated assembly processes. Thermistor. Thermistors are temperature-sensitive resistors whose resistance changes significantly with temperature. They are used in temperature sensing and compensation applications. Light-dependent resistor, LDR elders, also known as photoresistors, change their resistance based on the intensity of light falling on them. They are used in light sensing applications. The choice of resistor type depends on the specific requirements of a circuit, including factors like resistance value, power handling, capacity, temperature coefficient, and cost. Different resistors are selected based on these parameters to ensure proper circuit operation. You can follow my channel to be informed about future videos. Thank you for watching.